Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today I'm going to show you examples for the day function. The day function has one argument, serial number, which should be a valid Excel date. You could use the day function to extract the day number from the date into a cell. You could also use the day function to extract and feed a day value into another function. In my first example, I have a list of dates in column A that I wish to extract the day value and have the results in column B. In column B, enter the formula equals day, open parentheses, A2, close parentheses. As you can see, each day from the dates in column A have been extracted into column B. Our next example will show how to use the day function inside of the date function. I have a video on the date function, link in the description below. I will also be using the month function, which extracts the month value from a date. In column A, we have a list of old dates that we wish to replace the year with the value in cell E13. In cell B13, we will enter the formula equals date, open parentheses, $E, $13 for our new year, comma, month, open parentheses, A13. This will get the month value from our date, comma, day, open parentheses, A13, close parentheses. This will get the day value from our date, close parentheses. Now, in column B, we can see our new date with the updated year. If we update the cell in E13 to 2024, you will see that the dates in column B also updated. The last example will show another way to use the day function in a calculation. We wish to set the date to the first day of the month of the selected date. In cell B49, we will enter our formula equals A49 for our starting date minus day, open parentheses, A49. This will subtract the number of days from the date and set it to the last day of the previous month. Then plus 1 to add 1 day to the date, giving us the first day of the month of the selected date. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you would like to see examples on a specific topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.